2017 Chevy Silverado crew cab, murdered out black. I love this truck, it looks good. Anyways, what we got done on it, got factory converters there. He's gonna come back in a couple of weeks. We're gonna cut this one off and put a high flow. We'll do another video. Then it's got 3-inch pipe all the way back, and we did something special. Flow FX by Flowmaster, part number 71416, and then a Y pipe and mandrel bent tailpipes all the way back there and there. I know you guys are going to say something about the tips, but that's black paint and it makes it a lot harder to weld. See how clean these welds are? So you guys can't say, oh, well, the tips at the back, you know, they're not clean welded, blah, blah, blah. It's because of the black paint, it makes it a lot harder. We grind them off, but it doesn't take them off all the way. Into 4-inch black tips. If you guys want the Flow FX or the black tips, there'll be a link in the description for this. I hope you guys like it, because we sure do, don't we guys? Yeah. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And subscribe. 2017 Chevy Z71 5.3 liter V8. We showed you guys this about, I think, a month ago. We did some exhaust work on it. We did some duals. And then he brought it back because we'll show you in a second. Got factory converter there. We're going to put some BBK headers next on it, hopefully. He'll be bringing it back. Then what we did is put a high flow converter on it, right there. We eliminated the third cat and put a high flow in its place to get it sound even deeper. It's got a Flow FX by Flowmaster dual setup with Flow FX in the front, a Y pipe behind it, and 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent all the way back into some 4-inch by 18 rolled black tips right there. He wanted it a little bit louder, a little bit deeper. Hopefully that third cat replacement will change that sound. And if it doesn't, then the BBK headers are next and high flow cats. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Ooh, much better. He wanted it smooth, not too obnoxious. That's why we put the Flow FX on it. Gives it that throatiness without all the raspiness. It's just a really nice deep tone. There's sound decibels. It peaked out almost 100. And it's snowing, and we're making Christmas gifts for the people with the duals, giving them a hell of a deal, so they always happy. Oh, it sounds amazing. I like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. How you like the sound of the Flow FX compared to the Magnapack, compared to everything else. Let you guys hear on the inside. This is round 2 again. Much better. It is louder. I like it. Flow FX. Again. Your sound decibels. Again. 99. I actually gave it a little bit deeper tone than before. sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Flow FX. Louder, guys, once it breaks in. Silverado. I like it. I was fond of those body styles right there. I don't know about the new ones. They're still growing on me. Guys, let me know. What do you guys think? This body style or the new body style?